Today, I'm going to show you how you can steal your competitor leads on Reddit in less than 3 minutes simply by using Reppit AI. I will do a quick demo example here. Let's say that we want to sell a SaaS about LinkedIn outreach tools. So we want to find some famous competitor, and here we have an example of Reddit post where some brands are mentioned, like we have Dripify, Wallaxy. We have also Phantom Buster, that are all famous brands that we want to monitor on Reddit, and find the post like this one on which we can market and mention our own tool in the comments. So that's an example of a relevant post on which we can find some high buying intent customers, and that could be some leads for your tool. Now let's go to Reppit AI. On monitoring, we will search for monitoring terms, and we want to add some competitors. Okay, as you can see, I simply added some competitors here. We have Lemlist, Dripify, Wallaxy, and Phantom Buster with all the monitored keywords about their brand. I also have my own brand here. As example, here it's Gojiberry AI. That's not my tool, but it's just to show you an example. So now I will scan all of this, and we will find all the relevant posts on which you can publish. Okay, the scan is now finished, and we can see all the posts where the brands are mentioned. For example, we have a Dripify mentioned on this post with the top 30 LinkedIn lead generation tools, and we can just open it and comment with your tool. For example, here we can generate comments. Okay, here you can click on copy and publish the comment under the post. You can see that the tool here is mentioned to promote your own app and get some visitors under this post. Now you can find other relevant posts, of course, and search for more relevant features or strategy. Let's say you want to comment under all the posts that request some alternatives, like best Wallaxy alternative in 2026. Of course, you can go there and post it. And this post was from last week. You can maybe search for relevant features like LinkedIn automation. We have here some recommendation on the best LinkedIn automation tool in 2026. This was a post from yesterday. Of course, if you comment it, you can get some relevant visitors that are searching for what you sell. And for example, the first post we found is this one, the top LinkedIn automation outreach tool. Let's see if the scan detected it. Top LinkedIn. Okay, here it's this post. You can see that this one has been correctly detected with the scan on the brand mentioned. Like here they found the keyword Dripify. So this is a relevant post on which you can comment. Now we have a lot of other features on Reppit AI, not only with brand mention, like we have some post analysis about your own features. We can detect the best opportunities for you for where you can comment and get some relevant leads as well. We can also detect relevant Reddit SEO posts that rank well on Google and that brings organic traffic. For example, this post that rank top 3 on prospecting software. We have this top 1 keywords B2B lead list with this post that rank at the top. Okay, for example, if we go on Google and search for B2B lead list and scroll, we have the Reddit post here. And we can generate, of course, a comment and try to appear where people are looking for something that you sell. So, of course, there are a lot of relevant posts if you know the power of Reddit for parasite SEO. Even here by scrolling, we can find again the same post that we found at the beginning of the video, because this post is ranking well on best way to automate outreach. they are the number 2 on these keywords. So now you know the power of Reppit AI. Don't hesitate if you want to generate more visitors and customers thanks to the power of Reddit combined with Reppit AI.